YouTube, welcome back to another video. Well, not really another video, but it's the next day because I forgot to actually charge my camera and to take extra batteries for the video I did yesterday. But it's alright though, because today we are going to the shooting range and we are gonna go to a liquidation, and then after that we're gonna go to IKEA. So it's a lot of things in ones. So I'm gonna catch you guys at the shooting range, and yeah, just stay tuned. It's a YouTube, we here at the shooting range. My first time though, first time. Let's see how I do. Yeah, people be having some loud ass guns here.
Son.
Yeah, but we finna shoot this and we're gonna do some highlights too. Alright, so he finna shoot his gun right now. We finna see what he gets versus what I get. He's experienced, I'm not, so finna see.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. My dog overly drinking.
Are you getting jammed up?
Huh?
You getting jammed up?
Nah. My dog, oh. See that? You see that? What?
How you bring it back up?
That's what I'm trying to see.
Oh, there we go.
I'm saying, right here, it's out of flame. It's out of flame.
Ain't no headshot though.
I wasn't aiming for the head.
Oh, you trying to injure them?
What the fuck this shit? I was aiming right there. I'm saying.
What about these two?
Yeah, but my dot was tripping. I don't know why the fuck this shit was off.
I bet.
So that,
Bet.
it's recording?
It's my first time ever shooting. Let's see how I do. But does it actually have a lot of power though?
Nah, you good. You G's. Did you cock it back?
Yeah.
Let me see, bro. God damn.
It should be a gun. I mean, it should be a bullet right there.
Like, you didn't put the fucking mag in all the way. What the fuck?
Yo.
You gotta hear the click, bro.
Remember, it's my first time ever shooting this. There's a bullet though, right?
Huh?
There's a bullet inside. Wait, shoot it first.
Alright, it's G's.
Good?
Huh?
Bet.
You good. Yeah.
Nervous, low key.
Yeah. Okay. That boy look down. That boy look down. Yeah. Goofy ass thing.
Let's see how I did.
Okay.
How do you bring it back?
You gotta click home. That boy look down got busy.
Yeah.
That boy look down got busy.
Headshot only. Come
Damn.
on. First time shooting. Telling you, you play Call of Duty, you finna do good.
Damn. Okay, let me zoom in on that.
This is the furthest one. Let's see if I can hit something. Remember, it's my first time shooting. Let's see.
Use the one eye, close one eye. Close your left. Look for your right.
Alright, let's see how this young nigga did, man.
Let's see. I don't know why, but I be shooting like a cop though. You think I hit one? I hit some.
He's safe. He's safe.
Hell no, he not safe. What are you talking about? Look at that. He not safe. He not safe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Wait,
8,
but you
9,
need
10,
your
11,
groupings.
12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh, like right there. You all over the place though.
I'm still hitting them though.
I bet. Look, I'm finna go that far. Watch. You finna see.
I bet. What happened? All right, bring it up.
Finna see.
Remember, I didn't even miss not even one.
You bet 5.
Damn you. Dang, you missed one. You missed one. I'm just a better shooter, that's it. I'm just a better shooter.
I bet. I bet you gonna see.
We'll always be number one, that's for a fact.
We gonna shoot my gun.
Nah, I bet. Alright, so you want to switch guns? Cause they said this is the cheat code for real though. You want to go to this one. Let's see how I do. Shit, that shit went in my hair.
All over the place. All over the place.
Huh?
All over the place. That shit looks kind of crazy. Oh.
Let's see. Shit, I only missed 1, 2, 3.
But look, you wasn't even aiming for this. You wasn't aiming for that. You wasn't aiming for none of this shit. You just got.
What you mean? I was aiming for that.
Yeah, I feel like you probably was aiming for this one.
Nah, I was actually aiming for this one.
Nah, bro.
But shit, I
Look,
only
okay,
missed
cool,
1,
look.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Look, I'm gonna tell you where I'm aiming, and that's where I'm gonna hit.
Alright,
Like,
bet. Use the target too.
this one?
Yeah, I'm finna take a picture real quick. Let's see.
So I'm gonna shoot, I'm gonna aim right there, top left. You put out 14?
Yeah.
I'm aiming top left.
Well, you gotta load it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Boy, that shit hit me. That shit hit me. That shit hit me. Damn, it's not looking good. Let me pop up the picture real quick.
Man, I was aiming over there.
Damn!
Yeah, I was aiming over here.
Nah!
But look,
Damn!
I was aiming over here, right? So, and I'm shooting over here. You know what I'm saying?
I bet let me aim on the right side then.
Go ahead. Go ahead. And you aiming for the top right. You aiming for the top right.
Hold up. There we go.
It's good. Damn. 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 Ass. Ass.
Damn, that shit went up my hair.
Shit, trash.
Remember, it was just 2 of them.
And I don't even think you hit that shit. I don't even think you hit.
Yo!
Damn. That's crazy. I ain't even gonna lie. Nigga didn't even hit that shit.
What you mean? I did hit it. I hit it right here. Damn. So this gun actually Chico. This gun is Chico. This gun ass.
Man, that's a real man, bro.
Remember, this is my first time shooting too, so I got no experience with none of these guns. But that first one that we shot, bro, that's a whole cheat code for real.
They said the ref fight.
This is what I do. Why my light keep coming off though?
From Amazon.
It's not, bro. You know this brand? It's probably one of the best brands you could get. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, that shit bright as shit.
I got it up.
Damn. Like your whole life for real, but man. What, like shooting? It's kind of like a distraction.
Huh?
You think shooting is like a distraction? The distraction?
What you mean?
Like, it helps you with your mental?
It helped me. That's what I do.
Tight. That's crazy. I didn't even hit none of these, bruh. Damn, 1,000? That's crazy.
What happened? What did it say?
I think if you use like the wrong ammo, they charge you like 1,000. 1 band is for using the wrong ammo. That's crazy. Finna let the other hummer shoot it. Telling you, this is a cheat code.
That shit fire.
Man, this thing feel like motherfucking
Nah, keep shooting, keep shooting.
Yeah, you
that
could
thing
shoot the whole
cheap as
thing.
fuck.
Bro, I finna buy one, bro.
You rent?
Huh?
You renting?
Yeah, we rented it.
Oh shit!
I'm
I
finna
thought
buy
this was
one.
yours. That shit fucking.
It has like no recoil,
No,
huh?
bro, that shit like James Bond gun.
God, that shit crazy.
John Wick shit.
It's some John Wick shit, literally, bro. That shit good.
Wait, how much was the ammo again? Like 30 bucks?
I think so. I don't know. It's probably like 20. What is that? 9mm?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's probably like 20. That's why I want to get a. That's why I want to get a 22. Cause that ammo cheap as fuck.
Damn.
That shit. How much was it to rent it?
I'm not sure. Wait, how much was it to rent it? Like $10?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not bad. That's cheaper than the other spot.
Yeah. I thought the gun would be more expensive than the ammo.
How much was the gun?
That's why it was like $10, and then the ammo was like 30.
Yeah, the ammo more expensive than the gun rental, bro.
That's crazy.
I don't even know, cause he said you pay at the end. So I
No,
don't know.
he said our total is like 60 some shit for both of us.
60 for you.
No, for like both of
Oh,
us.
shit, that's not
Yeah.
bad. Like 90 bucks.
Bro, it's crazy how a bullet like this could literally end somebody's life, bro. That's so crazy. That shit too fire, huh?
Bro, I might buy this shit, bro.
A 2200 though? Whoa, oh, your bullet's fitting that shit?
Hell yeah. Oh shit, this shit jam. Hold on.
Oh, shit. I'm not trying to get in there. What the fuck? Damn. But man, 2200 for that. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, that's so yeah. I used to walk around with it. Oh, when they on?
Woohoo! You see that? God, do it.
Facts.
In that one hole.
But
Do this, man. Do that.
that's too easy.
You can't do it though.
Like, what did he have it at?
Huh?
What did he have it at?
I don't even remember. I ain't gonna lie. Probably 11.
Let me see.
Bruh. Let's rent the other one.
You want to?
Yeah, I'm finna go.
So he finna he finna rent the other one. Let's see how that one shoot. But so far,
Wait, you
I like
rented it,
that.
So you gotta tell him. I'm finna go out there too. I'm aiming for his dick.
How much was it?
I think like 9. A shot.
How you feel, man?
Alright, so we switched the weapon. Let's see how this one is. Personally, me, I feel like the other one can't be beat or anything like that. Like, it's literally like a chef kiss, bro. I mean, it's right though, cause I'm just gonna aim here.
That ain't gonna kill him.
You about to see? He finna shoot too. Let's see how this one shoot. Wait, which is that one?
It's 22.
This shit ain't shoot.
Yeah, that shit look kind of hard.
Right? chin up. What the fuck?
Yeah, I get that thing jamming up or something.
Oh, that shit look like the ray gun. I don't even know how to work it.
These small ass bullets.
I'm saying, here, like push it down. This shit weird, bro. Look. Yeah.
Oh, I gotta.
That's actually cool.
This shit like a BB gun.
Yeah, literally.
Why I gotta put it in? Oh, like that.
Yeah. Oh no, that's not all. Oh shit.
Damn! That thing was like, boom!
The safety was on? Or this shit just wasn't loaded? What the fuck? Let me see.
I don't know what I did. I ain't shit like
Yo, Danny, shoot that shit. That shit, like, that has no recoil.
oh, at all,
that
bro.
shit feel like a BB gun for real.
Wait, did you miss?
Insane. Nah, I ain't miss. That's
Where you
insane.
shoot?
Huh?
That shit feel, dead ass feel like a BB gun.
On the
Oh
head.
God.
Damn.
Okay, okay. Look
Right
damn.
in the head, bro.
Dude, how
Shoot
much
that
is
bitch,
that
Johnny.
one?
This shit like no more than like 400.
But that shit long though.
Yeah, they got smaller ones.
That shit looking fine.
It is, bro.
You put an optic in there.
Damn. That shit clean as fuck.
I bet. Wait, how much does it have?
Nigga, 9.
Headshot only.
Says,
Huh?
What y'all shoot?
Staccato. You wanna shoot?
Yeah, low key. I shot one of them bitches before. That bitch nice.
That's what I do. That's what I do.
Shit, that's what
Okay, okay.
Blow his ear off too.
Okay, okay.
Be like SWATers. If you know, you know. Yeah, man. But I ain't gonna lie, shooting be fun.
Yeah, we could get a membership. That shit like $30.
Huh?
You could get a membership. That shit like $30 each, like in total. And all of us could go.
Like a month?
Yeah, like a month. Yeah.
You can bring out as many people you want, or what?
Not like me, you, and Dwayne could be like on a family plan. It's $30.
Ah, gotcha,
And then you
gotcha.
could get, like, I think it's like one more person. I think it's 4 people.
Hey, Johnny.
Want to shoot it?
It's 9 in there for you.
9 in there?
Yeah.
Alright. That shit smooth.
It's straight. The other one we
The other
shot
one
was
has less
This one?
recoil.
Huh?
This one has more
This one got
recoil.
more recoil.
Yeah, cause
Yeah.
it's smaller, obviously. So
This one?
yeah,
It's loaded already?
What was it, 8?
it's loaded.
It's loaded. This shit feel good in the hand though, low key. You said it's loaded?
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay.
All gut shots, bro. I don't even know where I shot, to be honest. I just shooting in the gut.
Where you shoot?
I think I'm right here and then in here. Well, I don't know.
That was me.
That was you?
That was me.
Now I don't know where the fuck I shot. I think I shot here.
Yo.
That's why we need our own shit.
Are you sure you didn't miss?
Huh?
I bet.
That shit that wasn't that bad.
You
I'm
finna
gonna get
switch
the
it?
other one.
That shit really didn't have that much recoil for real.
Yeah, we could use that target next.
How much was the target? $1?
Yeah, like $1.30. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Oh, look at all these bullets, though. Damn, look at these diamonds, though. You not finna shoot again?
Yeah.
Bro, this shit hard.
I'm telling you, you want to shoot again?
Nah.
You don't feel nothing though. That's the crazy part when you shoot this shit.
I don't know, the camera just didn't do it justice. That shit.
Look like a fucking zombie's gun.
Yeah.
I might buy one of these low key.
Wait, how much is it though? 400?
It's not that much. It's like 400. The one I want to get is like
I want one that fits right here.
would probably be mine. Where'd I put my shit? Oh,
Nah, that thing would not fit right there.
what this?
Nah. No, I'm talking about that one didn't, like, wouldn't fit.
So we can use this one.
No matter. Yeah. So it's just us today. Imagine, like, with a sniper right here. That's insane. Why you changed the gun?
Yeah,
No, here.
it's smaller.
This is my shit right here.
Bit tall.
Damn! Oh shit.
That shit went inside you.
Yeah. I wish I went inside my glasses.
Yeah.
Bro. What the fuck? I'm off though. Way off.
You gotta take your time, that's why.
Yeah. I'm just trying to see that shit like rapid fire. I'm off to the left.
Damn.
Way off.
That guy's safe for sure.
You fuck, bro. These bullets tight.
Wait, where you want me to aim at?
Where you want to aim?
X hit the spot.
Go ahead.
Wait, how many does it have?
Huh?
How many does it have?
15.
That shit has hella recoil. I hit one.
And you know what I'm aiming for. Yeah. It's alright. It's alright.
Where you put it at?
That's 6.
He said he finna aim for the head, but finna see.
About to trade this shit in.
You don't like it?
Now I'm about to try the SIG. Let's see if they have it. Shit, that's not bad. About to see if they got the SIG.
Bro, you think you could carry that for like?
Hell no. You look fucking stupid. Actually, I don't know, bro. You might. But I wouldn't carry no 22 as like a carry-on.
Why, it's too much?
It just wouldn't be my preference to shoot somebody with, bro. It would take a long time. Like, if you try to kill somebody, it's not gonna kill them in one shot.
You for real?
Yeah, hell no. That shit too small.
He said headshots only. We finna see. Ooh. X hit the spot. I seen that.
That's all I do. That's all I do. Stop playing with me, bro.
Man, what happened right here though?
That was the first shot. You know what I'm saying?
Tight,
First
tight.
shot. My grouping tighter. See, look, you kind of all over the place right here. I'm all right there. See what I'm saying?
That's easy though.
Try.
Wait, you could shoot this. You could shoot this one too, or nah?
Yeah. Shit.
I don't know. That's risky
I'll
though.
get up
Yeah.
there.
What do you have it at? 6?
Yeah.
You finna see.
Go ahead.
All Alright, so it's my turn. He shot left side. Right.
Damn it.
On the right side.
Damn. I think you only hit it like 5 times, bro.
What you mean?
Like you was missing.
I only missed one.
No.
I only missed one.
Okay.
No, it was this one. My fault. And look. 1-1.
Whoa.
Damn, all the bullets flying on my shoe.
This shit smooth too, low key.
What is it?
It's a Glock 44.
It's just lightweight.
Feel like fake, right?
Yeah, low key. It feels like a BB gun. Alright, you finna shoot like 5 bullets. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Hey, I'm
I
saying,
was not expecting that.
nah, that shit feel like a toy gun, bro.
What the fuck?
Bro, that shit fun, bro.
That crazy.
You gonna load it?
Yeah, this shit ain't nothing there.
For shooting all day. That should be fun, for real. You done shooting?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can keep his bullets if you want.
Is that what a mag's at?
Alright, YouTube, we here in what, IKEA. My second time ever here. But we trying to look for some parts for the desk or something like that. Damn. Look at that. Imagine cooking it up here. Let me see this. Let me see this. You know what I'm saying? Oh. With your butt. Yeah, we gotta go look for this desk and stuff.
Right.
But this where you finna cook or what? What you finna cook for me? What that?
I don't see a ring. Sorry.
Fellas, she don't cook for you before a ring. She's not the one.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Talking about the pink or the
Yeah, the color.
material? We're looking for what's it called? The desk. This nice too. Oh, you want it like this?
No, but like black, that's a like look how moody, like it's just like calming. You don't think so?
Yeah. It's like a millionaire type.
That's how you want it. In the middle.
Yeah, that's how I want it.
Yeah.
Yo, chat. Don't tell me. That shit hard. That's hard too.
Oh, it is nice. It's super
It's looking good. Aye. Yeah, that'd be nice though. Oh, this is what I wanted. This? But it wouldn't fit in my room
But
though.
that's
Huh?
super. You can get smaller ones. There's a lot of just this.
No, but I'm saying like, yeah, this folds though.
That's
I'm
why
pretty
it
sure.
goes in. This goes in, and then it goes in. That's why you can find one that's just this size.
You think it'll fit in my room?
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure there's like.
No, I don't think so, huh? No.
Yeah, but
Oh, look at this one. 500 for that?
No, I'm okay.
I mean, it's something smooth though.
That is a flipper knife. Why is it missing? Is that bad?
I don't think it's missing it. I
Yeah,
think
it's right there.
that goes under. It should kind of go under.
I don't know.
Unless this is like a sofa couch. Am I doing this right? Am I? I don't know.
Does it roll out?
It might just be storage.
Unless it pulls out. No, it's not.
I don't know. 500 for that? Nah. Yeah, man. People be saying IKEA's freaking what? They be saying that it's affordable. They be lying. How much is it?
1,300.
Damn. 1,300 for a little couch.
They don't block it.
A little couch. That's crazy.
Okay.
Is it like wool?
I don't know. I didn't play with that nice.
We gotta go find that desk though. Oh, the worker right there. That's the worker, right? Should it be here? Oh, I'm gonna ask the worker real quick. Yeah, 20 years, huh? 'Cause right now, man, we way too young, bro. Way too young. We are though. What are you talking about? Oh, that's nice too.
Not that.
You think you could use it for camping or not?
No, nice.
You don't think so?
The little boy flag.
Like, oh look for Rocky. It's only $2. Yeah, we can get it as a toy for him.
What did they get for Matia? Oh, he likes Spider-Man.
Yeah, he's not a little baby no more. He's not a little baby no more. The only little baby I know is like, wow, being a little baby. No, it's after the kitchen, just following the great path.
We followed it, did we not?
There's kitchens in the bottom. Yeah, so yeah, it should be right here.
Oh.
Nah. Wait, we were following the great path, right? It should probably be this one then. This kitchen? Kitchen. Oh.
Let's go down.
Yeah, we probably do gotta go down.
Downstairs. Furniture, check. We just go. I don't know.
But you sure we came out from...
We came out, yeah, that's the only path. Now we'll just walk back up.
Right,
Oh, we're back.
right. Imagine we just see Quan right here. That'd be crazy, huh? Like, hey, yo, Quan, let me write in your Lamborghini yours. Bro, that's crazy. It's crazy how many cars he has. He's like, what? Like 5 different cars at 23, bro. Yeah. That's insane. Yeah, this should be kitchen.
We're in the kitchen.
Is it right there?
Will it not be okay? No, wait.
Shit,
it might be.
I don't know.
Follow this way. Let's just follow this side.
Huh?
I mean, there's like lamps and desk here, things.
I don't know. I'm finna catch you guys when we find this desk. So we did get all the stuff. Bro, that shit was low-key expensive. Bro, IKEA is not, what's it called? It is not affordable. Well, it is affordable, but it's not like Walmart type of prices, if you know what I'm saying. Because, oh yeah, IKEA is pretty cheap. Bro, it's not cheap, bro. But we did get everything. Which the worker did not charge us for one item. But it's like though. I'm not paying for it, so you know my brother saved some money on that. Uh, Finna get all this on the truck and everything like that. And we're finna get some grub after, probably some wings or some shit. And let's catch you guys right there. I hope you guys like this video, because to me, this video was actually fun. But man, it's like 2 a.m., 1 a.m. I'm not really used to this time no more. But man, we went to go drop off my brother's stuff. Tell me why I got pulled over. I got pulled over 3 minutes away. But it's all cool though. He gave me a pass. He was talking about jewelry and stuff like that. So, cop, if you see this, I really fuck with you, like for real. I really fuck with you. But, like I said, I hope you guys like this video as much as I did. You know, I'm gonna be doing this, I said, once a week. It just depends, you know. But I am gonna do a basketball tournament, so stay tuned for that. Whoever wins, they'll win money. So I'm gonna be excited for that too. A lot of competition, stuff like that. Cause you know I love basketball, so that'll be very fun. And why you think this room is empty is cause my brother, this is where he used to be. So I'm gonna move in here since it's a lot bigger too. And look at this. His closet is way bigger too. The closet that I have in the other room, I can barely even walk right here. Yeah, I can walk everywhere, like for real. The other one, I only had like a kid, you know. This is my space. But I hope you enjoy. Like I said, I probably said that like 3 times already, but like, comment, and subscribe. It's been real. And I'm out. Peace.